Rebuilding Together Metro Chicago believes that everyone deserves a safe and healthy place to live. So we're fortunate to be here. We're fortunate to have the partnerships with all of our trade unions, particularly with IBEW, and all of you out here today to be able to do a little more. And it's evolved into something more grand and a bigger scale, and we are able and capable to be out here today, all things considered, serving 56 homeowners in the Englewood and Chicago Heights neighborhood.
Having gone into those homes where you all have done the work, experienced the joy, but also the incredible relief on the part of the homeowners, for whom many of them, like my parents, their home was their only asset. But as people get on in years and don't have the resources to be able to do the uptake and the maintenance, the work that you do makes a huge, lasting difference.
This is a big, big thing. Like the mayor had said, the community, something as small as this might be, they appreciate. And it really shows in today's day how a group like us, or the contractors in the community, can make a difference.
I just want to say thank you on behalf of the people that you're going to reach today, who are going to be so grateful that you have shown up for them, particularly in this time of need. Many of these people that you're going to see today have been isolated in their homes for a year, maybe going out to get the occasional groceries or medicine. So you're giving them a lifeline, a reconnection, if you will, to the larger city that's going to make a huge difference and see them through.
You all and some of your partners are going to be out there over the next 75 days or so doing other projects. We're going to be replacing doorbells. We're going to be giving new carbon monoxide installation. We're going to be doing new lights on ports, all really good things that we're going to be helping our owners with. So we appreciate you. We want to thank our homeowners for allowing for us, opening their doors and letting us come in and continue to volunteer and give back into the neighborhoods that really need us. So thank you very much. We appreciate everything that you all do and help support Rebuilding Together Metro Chicago.
So the work that you do, the sacrifice that you make every single day, and extending yourselves to your fellow residents of Chicago, there are no words to express how meaningful and powerful that is. So I'll just end by saying thank you.